If you want to improve your IGCSE math marks, this series will really help you. Today we are starting 0580/22 October November 2020 paper 2 extended. This is part 1 to 4 and we will solve the papers step by step with clear methods. I have already explained 0580/22 May/June 2020 paper. If you want to watch that, the link is in the description. So let's get started. Question number 1. Write 200,000 and 17 in figures. So every digit value depends on where it lies in a number, isn't it? So let's build the number from right to left. So from right to left, what we have first unit place and then tens place, then 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So here 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, these are in thousands family, isn't it? That means up to these three digits are in thousands family. So what they given? They given write 200 and 1,000. You have to fill with these thousands, three places you have to write as a 200. So it's nothing but 200,000. 17 is nothing but 17, isn't it? So 7 is in unit space and 1 is in tens space. So we have to write under the tens space, we have to write the 1. Under the unit space, we have to write the 7. And what we left here? We left 100 space. So here, the empty space, you have to fill with the 0. Write 200,000 and 17 in figures means you have to write 2, 3 zeros, 1 7. Let's see the next one. Insert one pair of brackets to make this calculation correct. So we have to use the brackets only. So here the right hand side, the result is 9. So if you place the brackets in between 5 and minus 3, after that, to solve this, we need to follow the BODMAS rule, isn't it? So in BODMAS rule, we have first brackets. So that means we have to first finish the calculation between the brackets. Left hand side we have 7 minus and the right hand side we have 4. That should be equal to 9. So we did with the brackets. We have to do the division. We don't have division, so let's simply leave that. Next we have a multiplication. We don't have multiplication, so leave the multiplication also. Next go to the addition. So plus values are 7 and 4. 7 plus 4 which gives 11. And still what we left? We left minus 2. 11 minus 2 which gives 9. So that means you have to use the brackets in between 5 and minus 3. Then your calculation is going to be correct. Let's go to the next question. Solve the equation. So what they given? 6 minus 2x equal to 3x. First, what you have to do? All the variables send it to one hand side. It's minus 2x, you have to send to right hand side. Then it become plus 2x. So 6 equal to 3x plus 2x. 3x plus 2x which gives 5x only. We need to find for x, not 5x. That's why to get rid of that 5, we need to divide both sides by 5. This 5 gets cancelled, we left only x on the right hand side. So finally the x value is 6 over 5. Let's go to the next one. The diagram shows a triangle draw between a pair of parallel lines. Find the value of x and y. So where is x? Here is a x and here is a y. So what they given? They given pair of parallel lines. Whenever they given a pair of parallel, immediately you have to remember the 3 points. The first one is alternate angles are equal, and the second point is corresponding angles are equal, and the third point is co-interior angles are equal. First observe here. So this is the straight line. In a straight line, sum of these two angles is 180, isn't it? In the right hand side we have a 120 degrees. That means if we add 60 here, then the sum is going to be 180, isn't it? That means this side the angle is 60. Now observe here. This looks like a Z shape. What is our first point? So if it is in Z shape, the alternating angles are equal. So here what are the alternate angles? X and 60. So these two are equal. So it's nothing but x is 60 degrees. So now observe here. So this is also a straight line. In a straight line, sum of the two angles is 180, isn't it? Here they given a left hand side angle, so which is 140. So and this side right side angle we don't know. So if left hand side angle is 140, so these two sum is 180. That means the right hand side should be 40 degrees. So 140 plus 40 which gives 180 degrees. That means this another side angle is 40 degrees. Now we need to find the y angle. Now observe here, we have a triangle, isn't it? In a triangle, sum of the three angles is 180 degrees. So let's take the three angles. One is 60 degrees. The second one is 40 degrees. The third one is y degrees. The three angle sum is 180 degrees, isn't it? So 60 plus 40 which is 100. 100 plus y angle, that is equal to 180 degrees. Y angle is 180 minus 100 which gives 80 degrees. So y angle is 80 degrees. Like this simply we can find the angles. Let's go to the next question. Increase 42 by 16%. Suppose we have a 42. So this is the 42. How much is increased? We need to find out. So increase 42 by 60%. 60% is nothing but 16 divided by 100. 2 50s are 100. 2 21s are 42. 2 25s are 50. 2 8s are 60. So 21 times 8, which gives 168, divided by 25. To make it this calculation easier, so let's multiply 4 by 4. Means 168 times, that means 168. First you have to double this one. If you double this, we are going to get 336. So 336, again if you double this one, we are going to get 672. So the numerator is going to be 672. 20 times 4 is 100. And 672 divided by 100, which gives 6.72. This is only 42 by 16%. 42 by 16%. So now we have to write the answer for increase. So what actually we have? We have 42. How much is increased? 6.72 is increased. When you add these two, we are going to get 48.72. So that is the increase of 42 by 16%, which is 48.72. Let's go to the next question. Factorize completely 4 minus 8x. So here 4 and 8, these two are multiples of 4. So if we take 4 as common, so we are going to get 1 minus 2x. That's it. Very simple one. Let's go to the next one. The area of triangle ABC is 27 centimeter square and AB is 6 centimeter. Calculate the value of height. Here, what they given? They given a triangle. And we know the area of the triangle formula. So what is the area of the triangle formula? Half times BH, base times H. So what they given the area of the triangle? 27 centimeter square. Half times BH is 27. Then BH is 54. Isn't it? And also they given AB is 6 centimeters. That means here this is the AB, which is nothing but base. So if base is 6, that means instead of B, we have to write 6 here. 6H is 54. Then H is 54 divided by 6. That is 9 centimeter. The height is 9 centimeters. That's it. This is also simple one. Let's go to the next question. Calculate the size of one interior angle of a regular polygon with 40 sides. So to find the interior angle of a regular polygon, the formula is n minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by n. So this is the formula to find the interior angles of a regular polygon. They given a 40 sides is nothing but n, our n. So n is 40. We need to find size of one interior angle. N is nothing but 40. 40 minus 2, which gives 38, times 180 degrees divided by 40. Simply you have to do this calculation. That's it. Here 0 and 0 gets cancelled. So we left only 4 here. 2 2s are 2 9s are. Then 2 1s are 2 19s are. So finally what we left? We left 19 times 9. 19 times 9, which gives 171. That is our angle. 171 degrees. Let's go to the next question. Solve the simultaneous equations. The given 2x plus y equal to 7, 3x minus y equal to 8. So here we have a plus y and here we have a minus y. To simply do addition, 2x plus 3x, which gives 5x, plus y minus y, we are going to get cancelled. So that is equal to 7 plus 8, which gives 15. 5x equal to 15, then x equal to 15 divided by 5, which gives 3. So once you know the x value, we can substitute in this first equation. Then we are going to get the y value, isn't it? So let's substitute x value in first equation. What is the first equation? 2x plus y, that is equal to 7. So x value is 2 times 3. So 2 times 3, which is 6. 6 plus y equal to 7. So then y equal to 7 minus 6, which is 1. So x value is 3, y value is 1. Let's go to the next one. Without using a calculator, work out 5 over 6 divided by 1 over 3. So this is the fraction form and this is the mixed fraction form. Both are in different. So first you have to convert this mixed fraction into fraction form. 1 over 3. How can you do it? First you have to multiply these two. 3 times 1, which gives 3. Then you have to do addition. 3 plus 1, which gives 4. So 4 over 3. 1 over 3 mixed form, we can write it as a fraction form, which is 4 over 3. Now write what we have. We have first fraction is 5 over 6 divided by, the second fraction is 4 over 3. This denominator part, send it to numerator. So when you are sent to the denominator to numerator, it is going to be flip. That means 4 divided by 3. You can write this as a 3 over 4. Now cancel. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So finally we are going to get 5 over 8. The next one. 2x raised to the power of 2 times 5x raised to the power of 5. First we have to multiply the numbers. 2 times 5, which gives 10. And then what we have x raised to the power of 2, x raised to the power of 5. Here you have to use one rule, that is, when bases are same, we can add the exponents. So here bases are same. So let's simply add the exponents. We have 2 and 5. 2 plus 5, which gives 7. So that means 10 times x raised to the power of 7. That's it.